No, this isn't clickbait. Edible drones really do exist. Eating a drone certainly sounds unappealing, so let's have a look at how they work and why they exist. Please do subscribe if you enjoy any of my videos or find them useful. This is the prototype edible drone, developed by the Swiss Federal Institute of Technology in 2022. The wings are the edible part. They are made entirely of compressed rice cakes that are laser cut into hexagons to make them easier to stick together. They are stuck together with gelatin. The wingspan is around 70 centimetres, which means they carry around 300 calories of rice cakes. The drone has a basic propeller on the front and tail unit at the back to assist with steering. It can travel at 22 miles per hour and was successful on its first test flight, as we can see here. It is remotely controlled by a human. So now we understand what it is. Why was this edible drone created? The purpose of this drone is to potentially save lives. In remote areas such as national parks or popular walking or climbing routes, people frequently become stranded. This can be because of injury or getting lost. The remoteness of the location means rescuers may not be able to get to the person in need for a long period of time. If they're stuck in a tricky location while climbing, it might take a day or longer for rescuers to find them and successfully reach them. This is where the drone comes in. It can be flown into hard-to-reach spots to provide the stranded person with much-needed food until their rescue to keep their strength up. The drone is also capable of carrying a payload of 80 grams of water, further adding to the benefits it can provide someone. All the person needs to do is take the plastic packaging from the wings, then break bits off. These drones are incredibly cheap and could be used in war zones to get food to people when it's too dangerous for a human to make a delivery. Due to the wings being completely eaten in most cases, the drone can't be flown back but can be collected at a later time and reused if new rice cake wings are added to it. Can you see these drones catching on, and what other uses do you think they might have? Please do subscribe if you found this video interesting, and thanks for watching.